We did it. We did it. We did it. Also, first of all, look at this sick mask. It's from Adams, the shoe company, but they're making masks right now. How cool is that? Look at that. It looks so, yeah, you get the point. Anyways, we hit our first 100,000 view video. Give ourselves a round of applause. 100,000 views. It was 100% completely because it was like a hot topic recommended video and not because I'm interesting to 100,000 people, which would be awesome, but it's not. But that's okay. It was my first time hitting 100,000 views. First time hitting triple digits on a video. My last video that had close to this was a Terraria Easter egg video that was like 30 seconds long or something, and it got like 60,000 views. This is cool. I'm very proud of this. And also I made some money for the first time. So what you're about to see is also not going to be completely technically 100,000 views. I think I only started getting monetized playbacks once it was around like 20,000 views because I didn't have enough like channel engagement basically to have revenue turned on. So just be aware of that when I'm talking about this. But super cool. We had 100,000 views. That would not be possible without you random people who aren't subscribed to my channel, because only like 1% of the people watching my videos are subscribed. But all you other 99% of people who have not subscribed, this is because of you. Shout out to you, even though you're not watching this because you're not subscribed. Okay, let's get into the video. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how much I was paid by YouTube for a 100,000 view video. I've seen these before, but it's usually for like 1 million views, or how much I got paid after having like 30,000 subscribers. So I thought it'd be interesting. I'm looking at my computer over here. I thought it'd be kind of interesting to make a video about 100,000 views, because I feel like it's a good like base point to say like, oh, this is how much for 100,000 views. So like you can kind of extrapolate from there and maybe figure out how much a specific video might make. But I'll also talk about why that's not necessarily true and why you can't really do that. Like I say in all my videos, I hate waiting until the end of the video to figure out the reason I clicked on the video. I know it's good sometimes to do that for like watch time purposes, getting people to watch longer. But I'm not about that. I'm here to get to the information that I want out of it quickly. So I'm just going to go pull up the stuff right now and show you guys. So the video that got a lot of views was actually my Pro 2 video. And you can see I'm at 104,373 views and 275 comments. So if I go to that, I can click analytics on that, and you can see my estimated revenue is $81 since February 19th. Let's just do like 90 days, or yeah, because I published it on this day, right? Is that right? I'll just do 365 because I don't, yeah. Okay, so for 100,000 views, I was paid $81.35. And basically, also, it's kind of cool. You can see like I got 401 subscribers just from this video. That's kind of crazy. But you can see the view duration isn't that great, so it's 25%. And then if I click over here on the revenue tab, this is the page that's actually going to be very important for you if you are trying to monetize things or figure out how like how money works in YouTube. So you have this thing called monetized playbacks. Basically, these are the amount of playbacks that were able to have an ad placed on them. And then the CPM is basically, it basically stands for cost per milli or something like that. But it says right here, it basically means the gross revenue per 1,000 playbacks. So for every 1,000 monetized playbacks, I basically made $4.01 on average, which that is the part that a lot of people always kind of get confused, is they're like, oh, this person, you know, like X, Y, and Z published a video and they said that they made, $400 from a 100,000 view video. So that must mean when they make a video with 1 million views, it's 10 times that. And it doesn't really work that way normally because there's so much that goes into it. There's the type of ads down here. So you have skippable video ads, bumper ads, display ads. There's ad revenue, YouTube premium revenue, but also the CPM changes based on the person that is your audience, if that makes sense. So my audience is generally more technical, more based on like all of my trends and things. They're basically more technically aware, and they might be more into things like making money or programming, computers, that kind of thing. So the amount of money I make is actually based on the audience that I have. So your CPM could go up if you're something like a financial channel. If you're a channel that gives out financial advice, your CPM is going to be way higher because the ads that can be targeted to those people are probably going to be a lot more effective. If you're a makeup channel, your CPM is going to be different than the financial channel. It's all going to depend how much advertisers want to pay for the audience that you have. The CPM can also change based on whether or not you have a specific audience or not. So if you're somebody who just makes vlogs, you don't have a specific kind of audience, the CPM might vary versus, again, somebody with a topic channel, something like a makeup or a financial channel. I don't really have I kind of have a topic channel. I do a lot of tech stuff, but I do a lot of camera stuff, business stuff, and vlogs as well. So my CPM is kind of based off that. Also, you can see the CPM changes based on the day. So if I click see more down here, another big determinant of how much your CPM is actually going to be the geography. Ads that are placed in the United States are going to be worth a lot more. As you can see, I had a lot more United States playbacks versus Australia, Canada, Germany, the UK. And if we go down here, Philippines, Singapore, Malaysia, Italy. For some reason, advertisers pay more for the United States ads. It's just how it works. I think I can I add... Yeah, estimated revenue. So I can add revenue based on geography. So let's do that. So as you can see, I have way more percentage of my views coming from the United States, 44,000, but the CPM is actually going to be a lot higher based on the geography. That's a big one. Okay, I actually am very confused about this because it says I don't know if this is specific to me because this one says I have 0 views from Ukraine, but my CPM is $11, my playback-based CPM. And then United States is down here. So it looks like Australia has a higher CPM than the United States. But again, basically what I'm trying to say here is your CPM is going to be based off your location and a lot of other things. The gender, basically all of these things up here are going to determine the CPM, and the CPM is going to determine how much money you make. So for 100,000 views on my channel, I made $89, I think it was. How do I get back to that? $81.35 for 100,000 views. And this is something super important to keep in mind if you are trying to make money on YouTube, is that it doesn't always equate to 100,000 views equals this much money. It depends on the time of year. So around Christmas time, advertisers are basically going to be bidding higher for the advertisement spots. So you basically have to, as an advertiser, pay out to YouTube to get spots in the advertising slots. And around Christmas time, there's going to be a lot more people wanting to advertise. So around Christmas time, those ad spots are going to go up. The amount of money you're going to make is going to go up. But then during things like the school year, when there's not much going on, people aren't really buying that much stuff. Like the beginning of the school year, there's less competition for those ad spots. So the amount of money your CPM is making you, or I guess the amount your CPM is also going to go down. So it fluctuates throughout the year. But again, all of the money you're going to make is going to be based off so many different factors that it's almost impossible to gauge how much money you're going to make. The other thing that's kind of interesting, not really on the money side of things, but looking at these analytics are actually going to be super important for your channel. So if I'm looking here, 88% of my activity on my channel or on this video has come from YouTube search, and 3.5% has come from browsing features. So that's the recommended page, I think. It's just recommending videos close to ones that they've looked at. But yeah, these analytics are super important. You can look at, watch time hours. So all of these things are really cool analytics that if you want to build your channel, you want to pay attention to these things. They're kind of boring, but you're going to be able to say reach. Where are these people coming from? So 703,000 impressions. Basically it means 703,000 people saw the video. And then if you look, this is a channel funnel basically. So 703,000 of those people, 26.8% of them came from YouTube recommending my content. 13% of those people clicked through, which is your click-through rate. And then I had 91,500 views from those impressions with a 2-minute and 34 average view duration and a 3,900 hours of watch time. The view duration is kind of, some people want a higher view duration. Honestly, I have the shortest attention span of anybody that I know. I cannot watch a YouTube video without tapping it through on my phone. I just have to. So that doesn't bother me because I'm the exact same way. I know that kind of people. I am that kind of person. So, watch time does not really bother me too much. That's interesting that DuckDuckGo has a 12% rate of my traffic to my channel. But yeah, overall, I made $81 from a 100,000 view video. CPM is super important if you do not know. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about YouTube, that kind of stuff, these analytics, I'm a data person, so these things are kind of interesting to me. So I would love to answer some questions if you have them. But anyways, that is going to be it for this. Hope you like it. It was a little bit of a different video. I've never really gone through YouTube stuff before. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.